Welcome to this Twinkl Create tutorial. Today, we're going to be looking at how you can add and change text within Twinkl Create. First, head over to Create on the Twinkl website and choose your resource. I'm going to make a display banner, but this will work the same for other resources. This template has a text box already made. To edit, I just click on the text box in the resource, then go to the text panel on the left. From here, I can edit the text and type what I want. But what if there wasn't a text box already here? Let's delete this. In order to add text to a resource from scratch, go to the Text tab on the left-hand side, type into this window and click Add Text Box. From here, highlight the text and adjust the size, font and colour to suit you. You can also move the text and rotate it by clicking on the text box and dragging it, and by using the handle at the top to rotate. You can change the font using this selection in the text panel. There are even options to add symbols to the text. And that's it. Save your resource and download when you're ready. I hope you found this helpful. Please get in touch with Twinkl Cares if you have any issues.